What's up, people, and welcome back to this amazing new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you for once again tuning into this amazing stream here. Today we won't be doing a live stream, unfortunately, like you can see here. Like I told you before, I would have loved to do a live stream here, but today it cannot work out for me. But tomorrow I will be back with a live stream, of course, so I can guarantee you tomorrow there will be a live stream here. So first of all, thank you already for tuning in here. If you're new to this channel, you can right away subscribe to the channel here, and you can leave a like on the video here. Also, if you have some questions for me, make sure to drop them right now in the comment section. And of course, if you like the video, let me know as well here in the comments, because that will be helping me out here. And of course, I would love to answer your questions here in the comment section. But guys, right away I will go into the video here. Let's start off with the Bitcoin price, because once we are looking to Bitcoin, you can see multiple things playing out right now. And of course, Bitcoin price action very important, but you can see Bitcoin trading around 56.4K here. So of course, very nice digits that we are right now trading on. And you can still see as well that we are still in an uptrend here. So you can see once again creating a higher low, what is of course very crucial for Bitcoin, and also creating a higher high. But of course, we also want to look at the divergences, because if you look to the 4 hourly and the 1 hourly, you can see that we are creating bearish divergences. Right now, looking at the 1 hourly, and you can see here in the RSI, you can see we are creating a lower high in the RSI and a higher high in the price chart, what is right now leading to a bearish divergence. So of course, that was the main reason why we were pushing lower here. But it was very likely to see a bearish divergence playing out here. But of course, you can also see that we are right now having a bullish divergence once again here. You're creating a higher low in the price chart, but you are creating a lower low in the RSI. So this is of course a very bullish thing here, and that's also the reason why you do see the price right now creating volatile. And that's also my belief why I do think that Bitcoin probably will continue the trend to the upside. And of course, the market sentiment is looking very strong here, guys. And I feel myself very bullish here on the price chart of Bitcoin. Of course, I can remove this resistance line here, but I mean the supportive line that we are right now creating, very crucial here. And of course, also creating some kind of an uptrend, maybe some kind of a new parallel channel that we are trading on. So very interesting things that we can look at right now. And also, if you look to the Fibonacci chart, once again showing a lot of significance here on Bitcoin. Of course, I will also go in some more charts here on Bitcoin, because you want to look at multiple scenarios here. But you can see Fibonacci, the 52.2K here is holding up very strong here, and also creating such a very nice new uptrend here with a bullish divergence on the RSI. I think we can definitely continue here to the upside for, let's say, the next 4 to 8 hours here. And of course, we can also refer still to the downside here, but that will be probably because some wheels are dumping here. I mean, the indicators, the chart is right now telling that we are going to go higher here. And you can see also, looking at multiple charts, you can see the gray box scenario, gray box, very strong resistance, and we do want to break this level before really continuing with setting new all-time highs here. So I mean, I feel very excited once looking to the chart, of course. And these are basically the things that we are right now looking at here for Bitcoin. Still have to break this upside, this all-time high. We have to break through it before flipping insanely bullish. But guys, I also want to give an update here about my trade that still is ongoing here with the team in general here. We're all still in this trade here. Let me know, by the way, if you're all still riding this trade here. Will be of course very amazing here. I mean, we like I told you before, this is a trade that I'm trying to hold till the all-time high here. I'm trying to get this amazing swing trade entry in here. And also, like you already know here on my personal account, I'm accumulating more swing trades here. And also, since we had this dip here, like I told you in the Discord server, because I'm also giving you guys some updates here on the Discord server, I was accumulating more. I was opening this long position, and I feel extremely bullish about it. And guys, you have to know, I want to talk about every single coin here, but unfortunately, this video cannot be that long here. And I mean, Bitcoin is just looking good here, and I'm still going to sit on the trade here. And if you want to join me on these trades here on FEMX, you can definitely sign up here with the referral link in the description, and also maybe consider joining the competition. That would be, of course, very amazing. And I also want to look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is also showing very interesting things here in the chart. You can see that we are creating this descending bouldering wedge here, what is very exciting, because these are usually bullish bias patterns and continuation patterns. So you can see, you can measure some kind of a price target here. It really depends on how you look at the scenario here. We haven't got this clear touch on this lower side here, but if you look at the breakout here, I mean, yeah, there can definitely be a price increase to 2.2K for Ethereum. And I mean, this price target is not really realistic in my opinion. But I mean, it's definitely a possibility for Ethereum to break out to the upside here. And it really depends on when we are going to break this resistance line here on the price chart of Ethereum. But once breaking this resistance line here, guys, you have to know we will be monitoring the resistance line here once we're breaking. So we will definitely will be opening a trade here. And also, just like we saw with Bitcoin, we're right now also creating a bullish divergence here on the price chart of Ethereum. So Ethereum creating a higher low here. Of course, I'm looking to the candle closest because that's very important. You are creating a higher low here in the price chart of Ethereum, but you are creating a lower low in the RSI. So that's basically saying we are having a bullish divergence. So also for Ethereum, probably going to reverse to the upside, at least for, let's say, the coming 4 to 8 hours here. So in my opinion, Ethereum is also looking pretty strong here. But once we are going high with Ethereum, of course, you want to look at multiple scenarios here, but you can see previously we were also fighting against this level over here. You can see we were getting rejections once touching this level here, but for now it's very important that we're going to break it, because here you can see also got rejected from this level. And also once we're breaking that level, we will be definitely looking for the next major resistance target, and it will be of course the previous all-time high here from Ethereum. So we will be definitely looking to see where it is heading towards, but you can see previously also acting as very strong support, and you can see right now once again acting as support, and also this descending rolling wedge here is also holding us up. But in my opinion, Ethereum definitely looking to bounce anytime soon here. And also want to look at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation here, because it's very important to look at, like you already know here, because I'm already talking about this chart for quite a while here. And also in the streams, you guys know that I love this chart here. And you can still see Ethereum compared to Bitcoin decreasing in valuation here. But in my opinion, there's nothing to worry about. I think about the big picture here. And if you look to this scenario here, like I told you before, always accumulating at this gray box here. And I told you before also about some certain altcoins here. And I mean, if you look to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, these are definitely levels that you do want to accumulate at. And definitely once we're heading towards this gray box here, you do want to consider maybe scaling out some Bitcoin and converting it to Ethereum. So also looking at the bigger picture, because we are doing that quite a lot here on the channel and you guys are loving it. And of course, like you already know, I'm always thinking big here. I'm always thinking about the long term here. And also if you look at Ethereum in the bigger picture, you can see Ethereum always moving in waves. And like you can see over here, you can see that Ethereum is right now playing in this ascending broadening wedge here, and it is probably going to find some kind of support. And really, if we're not going to hold on to this level, I wouldn't be freaking out here, because I would still try and accumulate some more Ethereum once we are heading towards this gray box here, because I know for sure that Ethereum will be doing good here, especially with some updates that are releasing. They're becoming a deflationary coin here, and it's looking very strong for the future here. And just in general here, I do think that accumulating Ethereum is still a good thing here, even though the gas fees are so high here. But you have to know, almost the whole DeFi sector is built on the Ethereum, on the Ethereum blockchain. So definitely Ethereum will be a very strong asset that you do want to hold in your portfolio. But once hitting this level, I will keep you guys up to date also in the Discord server, and probably tomorrow we will be live. And if we're going to see more downwards momentum kicking in here for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, we will keep you guys also up to date in the live stream. So that's also definitely a reason why you do want to be subscribed to the channel here. And man, guys, you are so supportive always, so I want to thank you guys once again here on the channel. And don't forget to leave that like here. I want to remember you guys once again here. So right now I will be looking at Crypto.com, because Crypto.com, of course, performing very strong today. And I do want to have a look at Crypto.com here. And today F1 has their first test here, and you can see it right now popping up on the screen here. You can see Crypto.com, of course, the sponsor of the Aston Martin F1 team. So that's absolutely huge news here. And of course, the user base of Crypto.com is also growing so quickly here that, in my opinion, this is a coin that you of course do want to be exposed to. And we were already talking about Crypto.com once we were sitting around these lower ranges here. And I mean, if you already bought into it, you could have already made approximately a profit of 40% to the top. And of course, if you look to the scenario where we are right now at, it's approximately 30%. And still, I'm taking the mid-size ranges here. You could definitely also bought at the lower sides, because we were talking about these levels a lot here on the channel. And I still think that we are just at the beginning here for Crypto.com, and it can be huge here And I mean, today I bought a bunch more crypto.com here. So I mean, even buying at these higher levels, guys, you have to know, I think it is going to be big here. And right now also, if you look to the Fibonacci chart, finally breaking through this level. We previously found support at this level, you can see over here, but right now, once again, we didn't clearly touch it, but we are finding support. So let's see where we are heading towards, and let's see if we're going to create even more follow through here for crypto.com here. So that will be, of course, very amazing. So of course, breaking out of this ascending triangle here, I definitely think, and mark my words here, because of course you always want to trade at your own risk here, but I do believe that crypto.com can be a huge asset here in the cryptocurrency space, and it will definitely grow further and further, just like Binance, because they're having so much workers at the team. Their marketing team is insane of this coin, and of course, you do want to do your own research here, but they're burning also tokens, and they're already, once they're done with burning, they already are up to 80% of the circulating supply. So I feel definitely very bullish about this coin here, and in my opinion, this is also a coin that you do want to get exposed to. And the last coin that we will be discussing in this video will be Chainlink. And looking at Chainlink, of course, Chainlink is suffering a lot here, and of course, it's not nice to see here because I love Chainlink, but you do have to give it some time here. The altcoins will probably pop off here once Bitcoin is finally chilling out here, and of course also breaking the all-time high. But I do think altcoins will pop off anytime soon here, but you just have to give it more time here. But I mean, if you look to Chainlink here, you can see we are forming a new downward sloping resistance line here, and since we were breaking the supportive line here, you can see over here we broke it, and after that we retested this as resistance. So since then we got this leg down here, already creating a big wick on the lower sides here. But I mean, if we're really going to go lower here, you are getting very strong accumulation levels, you're getting very strong levels to maybe open a leverage trade here. And if you want a leverage trade, you know what to do. You can go to the description and set up an account at Femex, because Femex is, in my opinion, definitely the best exchange that you have to use here. Of course, no financial advice. You always have to make your own decisions here. But I mean, if we're hitting this gray box, and this gray box will be sitting around 26.55 cents here, this will be accumulation levels once again for Chainlink, because you can see previously resistance and also acted as very strong support. So I am looking forward to see where Chainlink is heading towards with this price action of the US dollar comparison. And also, I was looking to Chainlink, I do want to compare it to Bitcoin. And if you compare it to Bitcoin, you can see that we are right now trading at crucial levels here. And I would like to see Chainlink creating a wick on the lower sides, because this gray box is always holding up as very strong support. And if we are dipping below it, I mean, the next target will be horrible. And of course, we won't like to see that, because if we're going to break this gray box here, I mean, definitely we can see a decreasement of approximately another 27% to the downside compared to Bitcoin. And it will be very bad here, in my opinion, for the price action of Chainlink. And another chart that is also not looking strong here, because I want to be realistic here, and I feel very bullish on Chainlink, and I thought it was going to break out anytime soon here, is that we are right now having this ascending triangle breaking to the downside on the Chainlink compared to Ethereum valuation, and this is very horrible in my opinion. Right now it is looking that we're probably going to break down here, already 2 daily closes below this level. What is making me feel that we're probably going to see a breakdown, and the breakdown can be pretty horrible here. We can see a massive red candle anytime soon here, and we can maybe see this decreasement in valuation compared to Ethereum of approximately 40%, and my head is in front of it, but this can be a decreasement of value of approximately 40% compared to Ethereum. So I will be definitely not looking forward to see this playing out here. Would like to see a fake out coming in here, so we have to wait a little bit longer here, and maybe we can adjust these trend lines a little bit here, but it really depends on how Ethereum will behave itself in the coming 1 to 2 days here, because this chart is compared to Ethereum, and it also belongs on how Ethereum is reacting to this chart. And also we do want to see Chainlink creating more follow through here. But guys, this was it already for the video. I know it was a short video here, but I hope that I informed you guys enough here, and I would like to see you guys tomorrow in the stream, of course. And if you haven't already, make sure to right away smash up these likes here and leave a comment, because I will definitely look into your comments, guys, because you mean a lot for me. And if you haven't already, you can also join the Discord server, because in the Discord server we are building such a strong community here, and it will be very lovely if you are joining it as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching here. I will check you on in the next video. Goodbye.